The story The Clean Water for Mayas Village. This is the Social Development Goal 6, when the title is Clean Water and the Sanitation. Maya lived in a rural village where clean water was scarce. The women and the children spent hours every day walking to a distant river to fetch water, which was often dirty and caused diseases. So the many children, including Maya's younger brother, fell in love frequently, and attending school was a challenge. One day, a non-profit organization partnered with local leaders to implement a Social Development Goal 6 project. They built a solar-powered water pump in the village, providing clean and safe drinking water directly to the community. So the project is also including hygiene education, teaching the families and about the hand washing and sanitation. So with the easy access to clean water, children like Maya could focus on the school instead of fetching water, and illness reduced, and the community begin thriving, inspired. So Maya decided to study about the environmental science, hoping to bring similar solution to other village in need. So the Clean Water project not only improve health but also give the village hope for a brighter, sustainable future. And that's all. An impact or effect on our society. Number one is improving the health, or improve health access to clean water, reduce the waterborne disease, and improving the overall health and the community, and the lowering healthcare costs. Number two is the education access. With no need to spend hours pitching the water in the water, or children, especially girls can attend to the school, and increasing literacy and opportunities. So the third one is the economic growth. So if you have a healthy and educated individuals, contribute to the local economy, fostering growth and innovations. The fourth one is the empowerment. The women and girls are freed from the burden of fetching water. They can empowering them to pursue education and other activities. And the last one is the sustainability. The use of solar powered pump demonstrates environmentally friendly solution that can be replicated in other communities. So that's the benefits in clean water in our society. If you think so.